Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Sonali and I create content on beauty, fashion and lifestyle और जो भी मेरे दिमाग में आता है honestly. Also today's vlog is going to be a very interesting vlog because I'm going to the mall after ages. Like after 2 months I'm going to the mall. I'm not going to do any shopping kind of. If I like something, of course I'll pick it up, but the main point of today's vlog is that I'm going to pick up some groceries and I need to get some work done. Need to run some errands basically. Mom को कुछ चीज़ें चाहिए घर के लिए, so she'll buy that. So we are going to do that. So I thought I'll take you guys along with me and I hope you enjoy this vlog. So without any further ado, let's just get started. Obsessed with crockery, bro. Next day and I'm filming this the next day because after coming from the mall I was very tired, so I just couldn't film anymore. I removed my makeup and then I just had my dinner and slept. But I thought I'll give you snacks haul, grocery haul kind of today because all that we got is grocery and also we got some bed sheets, so I'll also show you that. And we got lingerie items. I got lingerie items, so I don't think I will show you that. I mean, I will not show you the lingerie items because it's a little personal, but other than that I'll show you the bed sheets and the grocery items. So yeah, let's just start the video. Got the bag here with me and I'll show you on the bed sheet. My mom got 4 bed sheets, so I thought why not include in this video just because. So the first bed sheet that she got is this one. It's a very pretty blue color sort of bed sheet. It has this emerald green, black, then it has royal blue. It had a lot of colors and also it has 2 pillowcase, whatever you would like to call that. It also has that. And अगर मैंने घड़ी खोली ना, my mom will literally shout at me. So I will fix this, but it is this really pretty blue color ka, bed sheet. It's really big. It's like a king size bed because we have a king size bed and queen size bed. So it's for that bed and it's a very pretty color. I don't know the prices of this, but I'll mention it in the screen if I ask it from my mom. So the first bed sheet is this. It's a very pretty blue color. Then we have another bed sheet which is in an orange color. You can see it's a very pretty orange, kind of a little red and orange mixture wala bed sheet, and it has this floral print all over it. I really like floral print and so does my mom, so she got this very pretty floral print ka bed sheet. Okay, so the third, oh god, it's so heavy, no? So the third bed sheet which she got is this. It's this bed sheet is in a warm tone, so it has like nude brownish colors. It has this brown color, then it has this maroon color, then it has a dark brown color, a white color, and it has leaves all over it. As you can see, this is the leaves ka print. Sorry, ignore my hand, it was for another video, so sorry for that. But it's very pretty and it is in a warm tones kind of bed sheet. It is in warmer tones. So yeah, I really like this bed sheet and the first one, and the orange one also I like, but my favorite are these two. And then she also got a blue one. Also got this another blue color themed chadar which is really pretty. It has this light blue, sky blue color, then it has royal blue, you can see, with floral print. Then it has थोड़ा और light blue, I don't know कैमरा में इतना blue क्यों लग रहा है, it's very light. Then it has green color over here, and it also has floral prints all over it. As you know by now that we are obsessed with floral prints, so this also has floral prints all over it. And that is, I think, it for the bed sheets haul. Yeah, So now we'll move to the snacks haul. I've got a lot of groceries, I mean a lot of snacks right over here. We also got groceries, but groceries हम लोगों ने like online से मंगवाया था, बिग बाज़ार के ऑनलाइन स्टोर से. If you have watched my pantry haul, you will know we ordered from Big Bazaar. If not, go ahead and watch that. I'll try to link it in the description down below, and if you have not watched that, it's a very exciting video, so go ahead and watch that video. But now I'll show you the snacks item. So guys, for the first item we have wafers, and the wafers are by Tasty Treat. It's the Tasty Treat strawberry flavored cream wafer biscuits. I really used to enjoy this wafer biscuits during my school time. हमेशा मम्मी टिफिन में पैक करके देती थी this as a dessert, so I really enjoy this, and it has a nostalgia attached to it. So yeah, that is really sad because school अभी बंद हो चुके हैं and I don't want to talk about it. So this is the biscuit. It's the Tasty Treat का strawberry flavored wafer biscuits, and it retails for 50 rupees. आपको यहाँ पर दिख रहा होगा, it retails for 50 rupees. And Tasty Treat का wafers काफ़ी अच्छा होता है, so if you want to try it you can. And we have also got a Britannia treat wafers. This is from the company Britannia. एक Tasty Treat का लिए एक Britannia का लिया हम लोगों ने, and you can already see me and my sister are done halfway through it. We have half more left right over here. इसलिए sorry for this packaging. But this also I think no, it's for ₹25. Oh, it's just for ₹25. Tasty Treat का थोड़ा महंगा है. I did not see it at that point of time, but same ही I think taste करता है, so I will go for this now because ये 25 rupees का, it's more affordable. So yeah, the second thing is this. It's really tasty. I've tasted it. It's really good, so you can go ahead and try it. I will suggest पहले Britannia का try कर लो, same ही है, अच्छा ही है, and 25 rupees में भी मिल रहा है, so you can try that. Okay, so the next item is again item attached which has nostalgia attached to it. It's the Britannia Goebels fruit cake. I love fruit cake. I enjoy fruit cake, having fruit cake, but I don't consume it daily. Of course I don't recommend to consume it daily, but I love this fruit cake. Cake में मुझे ये fruit cake बहुत पसंद है, and it retails for 20 rupees, and it's a fruit cake. Of course it has all sorts of fruit, and it comes in this pretty pink packaging. Very cute. Love this. मम्मी ये भी टिफिन में देती थी, and I'm really sad about schools. I really miss school, but okay. And now the third item is again I'm sure all of you know, it's the Jim Jam biscuit, and you know I like Jim Jam better than Oreos, to be very honest. I'm sorry, I know a lot of you guys might not like it, and I respect that, but personally मुझे Jim Jam Oreo से भी ज़्यादा पसंद है, and I really like the taste of it somehow. So yeah, I got this and it retails for 25 rupees, and yeah, I cannot wait to have it, so I will have this very very soon. Then the next thing is again biscuit, but wait for it. I am sure you all of you love this. So it's the Milk Bikis. ऐसे मैं तो इसको बुलाती हूँ जो आइज़ और नोज़ है ना, मतलब आँख नाक वाला बिस्कुट मैं उसको बुलाती हूँ, एंड मम्मी भी वहाँ जाके यही बोल रही थी कि आँख नाक वाला बिस्कुट है, बट इट्स कॉल्ड मिल्क बिकीज़ मिल्की सैंडविच. इसका ऐसे कुछ नेम होना चाहिए पर्टिकुलर, बिकॉज मिल्क बिकीज़ बहुत आता है. सो या दैट इज़ दैट, एंड इट इज़ दिस बिस्कुट. लव दिस इज़ दिस बिस्किट, नॉट बिस्कुट, दिस इज़ दिस बिस्किट. लव इट अ लॉट. बहुत पहले खाते थे, अभी तो एकदम ही छोड़ दिया खाना, बट या आई विल ईट दिस इन माई स्नैक्स राइट नाउ आफ्टर शूटिंग दिस वीडियो, एंड दिस रिटेल्स फॉर 45 or 30 rupees. I guess I'll mention it in the screen and also description down below, so make sure you check that out. And this is the next item. I've got 3 or 4 of this. I've got 4 of this. So yeah, 1, 2, and then we have 3 और एक और पैकेट में है. So that is that. Now the next item that I got is something I'm trying to consume daily with lemon water. So I've got a pack of this Dabur honey, and it is for rupees 99. Yeah, it's for rupees 99. You can see this is what the honey looks like, and personally मैं छोटे से बड़े तक दाबर के हनी ही खाते हुए आई हूँ, so I don't know about any other honey. I don't even trust Patanjali honey, I'm sorry, but it's अबाउट ट्रस्ट. मैं छोटे से ये खाते हुए आई हूँ, इसलिए आई रियली लव दिस, एंड इट्स फॉर ₹99. सो आई गॉट दिस. एक है बट उसके खत्म होने से पहले आई ऑल्सो गॉट दिस. द नेक्स्ट आइटम दैट आई गॉट इज दिस अमूल का चीज़ का पूरा पैकेट. आई सॉ रेसिपी यूट्यूब में विच सेड पोटैटो चीज़ शॉप्स, या एंड फॉर दैट वी नीडेड चीज़. सो व्हेन आई सॉ दिस इन बिग बाजार आई जस्ट गॉट इट, एंड मेरे जो घर के सामने वाला ग्रोसरी शॉप है, दे सेल इट फॉर 180 रुपीज़, वेयर एज आई गॉट दिस फॉर 114 रुपीज़ ओनली. आई थिंक इट हैज़ 8 पीसेस बिकॉज आई हैव सीन पहले भी. So yeah, I think it has 8 pieces, but I'll let you know. मैं स्क्रीन पे कहीं बोलूँगी. So we got this cheese for 114 rupees. It is by Amul. Love it. So this is the next item. सो गाइज नेक्स्ट आ चुका है मेरे पास ये बड़ा सा बैग, एंड इसी में ऑल द ग्रोसरीज. ये सब तो मैंने स्नैक्स आइटम निकाल के रखे थे, बट नाउ आई विल शो यू. आई एम सॉरी, प्लीज़ इग्नोर दिस, इट्स फॉर अनदर वीडियो, सो मेक श्योर यू सी दैट ऑल्सो. बट इसमें द नेक्स्ट आइटम आई हैव गॉट इज दिस ब्रेड. मतलब मम्मी ने ये खरीदा था, एंड इट इज़ बाई so fresh. It is I think it's a Big Bazaar का original brand, because I've only seen this in Big Bazaar, so I think it's their brand, and I don't know, please let me know in the comments down below कि ये क्या Big Bazaar का original brand है या दूसरे कहीं पर भी मिलता है. पर्सनली मैंने सिर्फ Big Bazaar में देखा है. So yeah, and I love this bread, and my mom also loves this bread because this is very soft और बहुत ऐसे नरम नरम और थोड़ा मीठा मीठा भी होता है खाने में. So I and my mom personally really love this. Right now I don't consume bread a lot, but yeah, I really, whenever I consume bread, I love to have this bread. So we got this. It retails for rupees 24, and yeah, it's white bread, and yeah, that is it. The net weight is 400 gram, 400 gram, I don't know. So we got 2 of these breads बिकॉज घर में पापा खाते हैं तो लगता है, एंड आई पर्सनली कंज्यूम टी बिस्किट्स, तो मुझे इतना नहीं लगता, बट आई रियली लव दिस ब्रेड्स. सो या वी गॉट दिस. मैं थोड़ा क्लीन कर ली थी एंड देन आई विल शो यू अगेन हॉल, वरना यहाँ पर बहुत मेसी हो जा रहा है. So guys, the next item that we have bought over here is not a snacks, but it's like a daily essential kind of thing. Not daily essential, but मम्मी को ज़रूरत था. So it's this Dreamline Essentials का towel napkin sort of. It's by Dreamline. You can see it over here. It says Dreamline Essential towel, and we got this from Big Bazaar again. And this is for ₹99. And इसका material क्या है? I don't know. It says Terry Kitchen towel. Oh, 100% cotton. It's 100% cotton. So we got 4 of these, like 1, 2, and then 3 and 4 of these for 99 rupees, which is a pretty decent deal. But I think अगर आप लोकल मार्केट में जाओ आपको इससे भी कम मिल जाएगा. 20 रुपीज़ पर पीस, which equals up to 60 रुपीज़. 60 रुपीज़ में आपको 4 इजीली मिल जाएंगे. बट बिकॉज हम लोग मॉल में गए थे और वहाँ पर मिल रहा था, तो मैं मॉम जस्ट पिक दिस अप. सो दिस इज दैट टॉवल, एंड इट्स रियली एक्चुअली क्वालिटी इसका काफ़ी अच्छा है. नॉर्मल मार्केट में इतना अच्छा क्वालिटी का आई डोंट थिंक आपको मिलेगा. क्वालिटी इसका काफ़ी अच्छा है. आप ऐसे मुँह पोंछने के नैपकिन टाइप में यूज़ कर सकते हो. सो या क्वालिटी इसका काफ़ी अच्छा है. सो थम्स अप फॉर दैट. नॉर्मल मार्केट में आपको इतना अच्छा क्वालिटी तो मिलेगा नहीं. तो इफ इट्स 99 और इतना अच्छा क्वालिटी मिल रहा है, देन इट्स ऑल गुड. सो या इट्स द नेक्स्ट आइटम इज दिस. देन द नेक्स्ट आइटम अगेन इज़ नॉट अ स्नैक, बट दिस इज समथिंग वी नीडेड. वी हैव माइक्रो ओवन ना, तो जब हम लोग खाना गर्म करते हैं उसके लिए हमारे पास ग्लव्स नहीं था, तो निकालना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता था, हाथ वाथ सब जल जाता था. तो इसलिए वी डिसाइडेड टू गेट दिस ओवन gloves kind of thing. This is the glove. It's in a pretty emerald green color, and I hope you can see it. Yeah, it's a very pretty emerald color, and it is again by the company Dreamline Essentials. And yeah, this is again for ₹69, 70 rupees, which is pretty decent for oven glove. And the grip also is very nice, like you can see. मैंने अभी हाथ डाल के रखा है, so the grip is really nice. मैं एक बार चीज़ उठा के देखती हूँ. हाँ, the grip is really nice, and it's for 79 rupees में oven ये gloves. So it's really nice. So we got this for our oven. So that is that. Now the next thing that I got is something I enjoy having, but I have not had since months and years. So I thought of getting it when I saw it. So it's the Monaco cheeseling, and trust me guys, मैं ऑनलाइन में इतने दिनों से ढूंढ रही थी ये, क्योंकि मैंने टीवी पे देखा था, मुझे खाने का इच्छा कर गया था, खाने का मन कर गया था, बट कहीं नहीं मिल रहा था. Amazon Pantry पे भी नहीं, फ्लिपकार्ट पे भी नहीं, बहुत डिलीवरी चार्जेस लगा रहे थे. एंड इट्स फॉर $60 ब्रो. कौन इतना 75 रुपीज़ डिलीवरी देके चीज़लिंग मंगाएगा. इसलिए वी गॉट दिस फ्रॉम बिग बाजार अगेन. इट्स द मोनाको चीज़लिंग क्लासिक, एंड इट रिटेल्स फॉर 60 रुपीज़ फॉर 150 ग्राम्स. आई रियली एंजॉय हैविंग दिस, और क्योंकि कहीं नहीं मिल रहा था, आई थॉट ऑफ गेटिंग वन मोर ऑफ दिस. सो आई गॉट 2 of these cheeselings. So guys, it's the next day, and I had to film this video, refilm this part again, because my video just ended abruptly again. But I don't know what problem there is, but my video has some serious issues with me. My camera has some serious issues with me, because whenever I try something new, my video just ends abruptly and my footage gets lost, and that really pisses me off. But it's the next day, and today I went to a local grocery store in my locality, and so my mom and me went, and I also picked up a few more things. So I thought I will also show you that. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just show you the things I got. So guys, the first thing that I got is a perfume. It is the Nivea Men Protect and Care perfume. And you might say that why did you get men's perfume, but I don't think there should be any gender in perfume. So I got this because it smelled really good. This is a roll-on perfume. My sister needed one, so she asked us to get this. So we got this for her, and this retails for 99 rupees if I'm not wrong. I'll mention it in the screen, but it's for 99 rupees. The next thing that we got is a beverage. It's Coca-Cola. Everyone might be knowing this. This is Coca-Cola, chilled Coca-Cola, retails for 20 rupees. I and my family prefers the small bottle, because once you open the lid, the carbon whatever is there just gets finished, just ends. So we prefer like एक खोलो, उससे खा लो पूरा, and then दूसरा खोलो. इसलिए we got 5 of them. So one is this, and then so we got 5 of these Cokes, as you can see. One is right in front of you. So yeah, we got 5 of these. Each one is for 20 rupees per Coke. So it sums up to 100 in total. So yeah, we got 5 of Coke for 100 rupees. And then we got this. It's Viva ka mayonnaise. It's in the flavored chili mayonnaise. It's eggless, so that is a thumbs up, because I don't like egg वाले mayonnaise. So yeah, this is for 84 rupees. यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पर, एंड इट्स फॉर 84 रुपीज़। चिली मेयोनीज़ है, हम लोग को प्लेन मेयोनीज़ नहीं खाना था, थोड़ा कुछ तड़का लगता, तो इसलिए मॉम पिक्ड अप दिस चिली मेयोनीज़। बहुत अच्छा है कि बुरा है नहीं पता, जब भी मैं खाऊंगी आपको किसी ना किसी ब्लॉग में पता चल जाएगा या मैं बता दूंगी। सो या दिस इज़ फॉर 84 रुपीज़। देन वी गॉट दिस 2 ऑफ दिस इमली के चटनी, क्लासिक इमली सॉस। इट्स अगेन फ्रॉम द कंपनी वीबा, और ये पापड़ी चाट बनाने में लगता है। सो वी गॉट दिस, कहीं नहीं मिल रहा था बट यहाँ पर जब मिला तो मॉम सेड पिक इट अप। सो दिस रिटेल्स फॉर 27 रुपीज़ ईच, 27 का एक, मतलब। Then I got this interesting item which I really wanted to try from a long time, but सिलीगुड़ी में शायद था नहीं. So yeah, when I saw this I quickly picked it up because I saw a lot of YouTubers reviewing about this. It's the Epigamia Greek yogurt in the flavor blueberry. So I really wanted to try this, but मुझे इसका टेस्ट का पता नहीं था. So I ended up only picking one, and it retails for 45 rupees blueberry flavor का. So I only got one taste करके देखते हैं, अगर अच्छा होगा तो I'll pick it up again. But this is the next item. Item is something I wanted to try again. It is this current noodles, hot and spicy chili pepper. एक कोरियन नूडल्स आता है बट उसका प्राइस 125-130 रुपीज़ है. So I wanted to try something similar first, थोड़े अफोर्डेबल रेंज में, and then if I like it then I'll go for the 125 one. So I wanted something in an affordable range. तो मुझे ये दिखा अपने लोकल स्टोर में. This is current noodles, hot and spicy chili pepper, and retails for 20 rupees each, मतलब दोनों मिला के 40. So I just picked them up because I wanted to try them. So yeah, इसका भी मैं रिव्यू किसी ना किसी ब्लॉग में दे दूँगी. So that is that, and with that snack haul ख़त्म. So guys, this is the future me after approx an hour or so. So I'm going to try this Epigamia's yogurt on camera because I've not tried this ever before. So I'll just open this. Looks purple from inside. Yeah, so okay, looks something like this. एक minute, let me just focus. Purple लग रहा है भीतर से. I'll just try this and tell you guys how this is. I'm taking a decent amount. बहुत ही ज़्यादा खट्टा खट्टा है. It's very sour. And but it's good. I actually like the taste of this. I think थोड़ा फ्रीज़र में रख दूँगी और अच्छा टेस्ट करेगा. But overall, my review on this, it's good. It's nice. So yeah, I'll eat it after my dessert, after my dinner. So yeah, excited for that. But that's it. Bye. So guys, with that we come to the end of this snacks haul, this huge snacks or pantry haul, and that is it for this video. अगर मैं और कुछ खरीदती हूँ, I'll update you guys in the next video. So stay tuned for my next videos. A lot of hauls will be coming and a lot of exciting videos will be coming. So stay tuned for that. But this is the end of this video. So I'll meet you in my next video. With that, bye bye. Love you guys. Bye bye.